create a new file. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select the horizontal type tool and type your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the text. Lower the fill of the text layer to 0%. Click on the FX icon and select Stroke. Pick a stroke color. You can find the settings I used here. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Then press Ctrl+T. Use the arrow keys to move the text a little up and to the left. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T a couple times to repeat this action. Select all the text layers and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the entire text. And that's how you create this hollow text with outlines.